anak po ni Madam Yani din. So today, we'll unbox the thing Mama bought last month pa. She was asking me to unbox this na matagal na, pero I'm always tinatamad, so I don't even know what are these. Tapos, ayun, di ko alam kung ano tong mga to. To be honest with you. I need help. So we got, pero may isang saucepan. So ito po. This one, 3 liters. Tapos, ito, 5 liters. Then, we got this, what are these? I think this is the one na pag ganun, kapag kukunin mo na, like, yun na yun. Pero it's ano, hindi ba ito mainit sa balat? Rubber siya. Then, a mini saucepan. Tapos, look at it na. Saucepan. This one is a saucepan. So, we'll open this one first. Kasi ito yung pinaka, I don't know. I'm gonna baba this muna. Now that it's all nakababa na, we'll focus to this. Focus lang sa isa. We'll focus to this. As of the moment. Charot. Okay. This, oh. So, there's the brand pala. Like, lalagyan ng blur to cover the brand. I don't know. Siguro. Mother, ikaw nang bahala here. Because I don't know what you're doing. So, it says, easy and healthy cooking with Atomy Medi.co. Told you, it's atom, as in atom. Atomy. I had a friend, his name is Atom. Tristan Atomy. O, diba? Had na kasi hindi ko na siya friend. Tsara, friend ko pa din naman ata siya. Hindi na kami nag-uusap. So, when you open it, it's like this. Oh. Ay, ano pala. Mama bought this sa friend ni Papa na teacher. Ayun. Tapos, sabi niya dito, ito yung 3 liters. Then, sabi niya dito, 316S/S is an alloy made of ideal mixture of steel, chrome, nickel, to improve durability and corrosion resistance. Comparing with the 304S/S or 18-10 normally used for cookware, the 316 series is used exclusively for high-quality cookware, medical services, implant material, and artificial joint material, and is known as sanitary, safe, and human body-friendly material. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna fix you later. Can you see it? Maybe it's a cookbook, siguro. Kasi it has this rice, pansit, kamote, also cake, carrot cake. Ata? Yeah, carrot cake. Siguro cookbook to. Pero di ko naman naiintindihan. Back to this. So as you can see, ay gagi, baliktad, sorry po. Ay, like this. Oh, Mabigat siya, to be honest. So, you can't bring it sa mga gala-gala. May steamer siya, which is good, I think so. Mga napapanood ko, sabi nila okay daw kapag may steamer. Can you see my face? No, of course not. May steamer siya. Then, to the main body, the pot. It's very mabigat. See the brand name sa back tapos sa side. Also, the water indicator sa loob. Ganito yung pag-open nyo. O, diba, you remove that. Also, you open it, not both sides. Then, you remove this. Oh, this thing sa top niya. O, diba? So convenient. Oh my God. Less hassle. No worries. It's very convenient. Kunyari Sorry po. Gonna this na here. Next is this. 2 liters. 2 liters to. Then, it's 2 liters. So, panis. The cover. This is the biggest one. Aray ko, pare-pareho lang naman sila eh. So, I don't need to talk that much na. Feeling ko mabigat to. But, oh my God, Lord, forgive my sins. Yung my steamer is, ano lang. Yung 3 liters na yung may steamer. Walang steamer pang pang 5 liters. You can cook rice here, it's so malaki. For family na siya. Yung malaking family. It's good para sa family namin kasi marami kami. Malaki. Sobrang malaki. Then the cover. So all in all, I'm gonna say my na. I don't know. Maybe it's convenient for mama, pero sa akin, I don't know. It's worth an siya. I don't know. Basta 30K pataas eh. So mga 35 ko na, siguro 37. The quality, okay? Quality. Yung quality yung binayaran mo dito. It's good naman. May kasama rin steamer yung eto, 3%. Yung packaging, to be honest, it's so maganda. Like, sobrang maayos siya. Tapos, so secure. Convenient din siya. Madali lang i-open kasi wala siyang tape or something. Tapos, ayun, ganda naman siya all in all. Pero, for me lang I would not waste that much to this kind of things. I'd rather buy it for foods. Siguro. Pero magkaiba kami ng isip ni mama and I'm still not teenager. So, I don't earn my own money pa. I'm still humihingi kay mama. So, maganda siya. Goods. Approve. Take a look at it na lang, okay? This one, 5 liters. Then, this one is yung my steamer. 3 liters siya. Ilang liters ba? 2 liters ata ito. Oh my God. Mabigat siya. Sobrang mabigat. So, you can bring it sa mga like gala-gala ganun, you can. It's mabigat talaga. Kasi metal siya, alloy. Di ba kapag tutunog metal, tapos alloy hindi? Maliit lang siya. I think I will use this. Siguro, I will use this. I will use this kapag, kapag nagamit na ni Mama. Pero ngayon, wag na. Kasi, dapat kaserola mo dyan. Okay pa lang dyan. So, that's good pa. Sobra siyang makapal. So, maybe it's pang matagalan talaga. Tapos, the only problem with it, sobrang bigat niya, as in, sobrang mabigat. Pero all in all, okay na. Good na. So, that's all, I guess. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Stay safe always. Tapos, stay at home. Lagi kayong mag-pray. Okay. Always pray, stay at home, always wash your hands. Tapos, eat healthy foods, okay? Live healthy. Stay hydrated. Peace out. Bye.